BathSelect Modern Curved Design, Dual Handle Deck Mount Faucet. Product code, BS9562. Retail price, $421, sale price, $341. BathSelect Modern Design, Deck Installation Sink Faucet. It is an oil rub bronze finish. This double-handle faucet comes with a commercial design combines the look of a professional faucet. This model is made a perfect design. The stylish and classic styling of this faucet is the perfect solution for updating your existing bathroom sink hardware. This faucet has been made with premium-grade lightweight. BathSelect Sink Faucet Specifications. Type: Sink Faucet. Product code, BS9562. Product brand, BathSelect. Number of handles, double. Installation mount, deck mount. Installation type, US standard. Fixed support, yes. Style, modern. Faucet material, brass. Surface finish, oil rub bronze. Core material, ceramic. Customize, yes. Finish, oil rub bronze. Faucet size, 8 inches. Number of holes, 3. Feature, dual support with 3 holes.